Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jolene here with HomeStitcheryDecor. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Jolene. I am from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and I sell modern farmhouse home decor right out of my basement. I teach what I do here on YouTube, and then I also have this other side hustle with SVGs that I sell on my website and on Etsy in the MandalaSVGShop. I'll put it down here on the video. So in today's video, I wanted to go to show you guys my newest design. It started out with mandalas and then it's morphed into cards. So this year for Mother's Day, I thought I would make a series of cards, and this is the first one that I've got done in the series. And this is what it looks like. And it's a floral card with the word mother on it in this intricate circle of scrolly flowers. And then like all of my cards I design, it has an insert in the back with glitter paper. So this is the blue glitter one. As you can see in my display here, I've got quite a few in different glitter types. So it's the same card with different cardstock, just repeated, and then different glitter in the background. So the glitter in this one is black, and this cardstock is Pearl by Recollections Collections by Michaels. So with the card, you can mix up your colors quite a bit just by changing out the colors. So this is the black cardstock with silver glitter. And then we've got Pearl cardstock with gold glitter. And I've got Pearl cardstock with pink glitter, and then I've got Pearl cardstock with silver glitter here as well. So it's really quite an easy process. The cards come as an instant download file. When you purchase them off of Etsy, after you've hit download, you'll have to extract all the files, and the card comes like this. This is how it'll be cut out on your Cricut machine. And then there's another file that's attached to it, and that is for the inserts. And I cut the inserts separately on glitter cardstock paper. Now, both of the glitter cardstock paper and this shimmer paper is from Michaels. So the shimmer paper is the Recollections Collections paper. You can get it in 12 by 12 inch sheets, but for this one, I decided to buy the pre-done packages. So these are just regular, 8.5 by 11 size sheets. And then there's, the packs come in different colors. So I had a silver pack, I have a gold and cream colored pack. And then I had, what else? Oh, and I had black. They also come, I believe, in lilacs and purples. In these large packs of paper, they come like, there's like 100 sheets. So this would be like 2 packs of it. And I believe it's 100 sheets for $33 Canadian. Of course, that's going to be different in American dollars. And then you can order this on Amazon as well, these card packs. So I will put a link in the video description for the Amazon link if you don't want to go to Michaels, and for glitter cardstock it will also be in the video description. So if you're in a place that's, you know, a little further away from a craft store and you still want the exact same look, I will have the links in the video description for you. So that's the first design that I've got done here for Mother's Day. So it'll be live in the MandalaSVGShop on Etsy. And once you've got your card cut out, you'll need to peel it away from your mat backwards. So I always make sure that I put my cardstock down to the table, and then I peel the mat backwards, or peel the cardstock down towards the table instead of the opposite way. And that will prevent the paper from curling up on you. And there is a quite a tight perforated line here. And what you'll need to do is just fold on the perforated line the card, and it will fold up nicely, just like that. And we can do it here again on the gold card. So you can see here there's a perforated line, so you're not even guessing where you need to fold these. And just fold the line here. It's really, really easy. And then select the color of cardstock that you would like to go in behind it. In this case, I'll put some silver in behind because I'm making so many cards. You know, I just have this constant collection here of the inserts cut out with the glitter paper. And we'll just stuff this back inside the corners of it there, and that's it. That's all you need to do, and the card is done. And then these fit into A7 size envelopes, which you can also get at Michael's, so they're sized perfectly. I'm just going to grab one here out of the cupboard. Lucky me, I just organized all these cupboards. So these are A7, and the cards are sized perfectly for them. And then if you want to do them into plastic sleeves, you can do that as well. So these cards are available with a limited commercial license. You cannot resell the file, but you can sell the cards. So if you're off to a craft market where you need some cards and you need a design for that, fill your boots, you guys. And if you could just tag me or give credit if you're selling them on your website, as MandalaSVGShop is the designer of these cards. That's much appreciated. Don't sell the files, because if you do sell the files, then I have to get a lawyer. Nobody wants to do that. All right, so that's it for today's video. This is the new card. Fill your boots. They're really affordable. I have other designs on the Mandala SVG shop as well. So enjoy and have a good day. Bye.